Do wrestling contracts cover intellectual property rights? Have you ever wondered what happens to a wrestler's persona once they sign a contract? Specifically, do wrestling contracts cover intellectual property rights? This is a fascinating area that impacts both wrestlers and promotions. Let's break it down. Wrestling contracts, especially those used by World Wrestling Entertainment, explicitly address intellectual property rights. These agreements grant World Wrestling Entertainment ownership and exclusive control over various aspects of a wrestler's identity during the contract period and often for a time after. This includes rights to ring names, entrance music, catchphrases, character personas, likenesses, costumes, and any creative elements tied to their wrestling persona. Interestingly, even a wrestler's real name can fall under World Wrestling Entertainment's control through these contracts. This means that when a wrestler creates a character or develops a persona, that work is often classified as a work made for hire. This legal term means World Wrestling Entertainment automatically owns the copyrights to these works. What does this mean for the wrestler? Well, if a wrestler's work is not considered a work made for hire, they still assign all rights to World Wrestling Entertainment permanently. This arrangement ensures that World Wrestling Entertainment can exploit and monetize these assets through merchandising, media, licensing, and branding. The contracts also give World Wrestling Entertainment broad authority to record, reproduce, and distribute content featuring the wrestlers across all media platforms. This includes television, pay-per-view events, and digital streaming services. Such control allows World Wrestling Entertainment to protect its trademarks and copyrights against unauthorized use. From a practical standpoint, this means wrestlers cannot independently use or license their ring names, catchphrases, or character elements without permission from World Wrestling Entertainment. This restriction often remains in place even after they leave the company. This setup protects World Wrestling Entertainment's investment in building and marketing wrestling characters and helps maintain brand consistency. So, when you see your favorite wrestler on merchandise or in media, remember that their persona is often tightly controlled by the terms of their contract. In summary, wrestling contracts are designed to secure comprehensive intellectual property rights for the promotion, covering all creative aspects of a wrestler's persona and performance. This allows World Wrestling Entertainment to maintain control and profit from these valuable assets.